This is how you're going to update your KODI software on your device. What you're going to do, the first thing you're going to do is go over to Settings, go over to Applications, click Applications, go to Manage All Installed Apps. You're going to go down to KODI, K-O-D-I, and you're going to delete KODI first. That's the first thing you need to do. So you click inside KODI, you go down to Clear Data. Click the OK button, and then do it one more time. Click the OK button and clear the data. Now you're going to uninstall. So click the OK button to uninstall KODI. Click it one more time to uninstall KODI. This is very, very important. Then you're going to take two hands, one on the OK button and one on the play pause button. Hold them both down at the exact same time until you see that your device is turning off. Your Amazon Fire TV is powering off. This is very crucial. Your device will come back on. If you do not delete the old version of KODI, the new version will not come up. Give it a second, let it come up. So yes, your old version of KODI and all the apps are going to be gone. We're just waiting for our Fire TV to come back up. And then you will follow my directions specifically and precisely, and you will then have a new updated version of KODI and a new build, which means you will have new apps at the bottom of your screen. What we're going to do is at the bottom right, it's still moving, so we're going to wait for it. Now it's up. We're going to take our remote. We're going to go over to Settings. KODI is gone from our device, which is okay because we'll put it back on. Now we're going to go down and we're going to go over to Applications. Click the OK button. Then we're going to go down to Manage All Installed Apps and click the OK button. Then we're going to go down to ES Explorer, ES File Explorer right there. Then we're going to click the OK button on the ES File Explorer. Then we are going to click OK again and launch it. Once we're inside ES File Explorer, please follow my directions precisely, and this will allow you to update your device. Now, you're going to take your remote, you're going to click over. Now I'm over. Now I'm going to go down to Networks. I'm looking for FTP. Once I get to FTP, I click the OK button on FTP, and it pulls up a file called FTP. Now I'm going to go down to the file, and I'm going to click the OK button. Once I've done that, I'm going to go back up to KODI. Then I'm going to click over on the right on the remote, and I'm going to open the KODI file. Once I have done this, this is all of our versions of KODI. You want to update to the latest. If the latest is 17.6, which it is at the time of this video, update to 17.6. If it's 17.8 or 17.9, do the latest version that you see there on your screen. At the time of this video, the latest version is 17.6. So I'm going to go over to 17.6 and click the OK button. Now I'm going to let it load up, and it's going to do its work. Once this is done, you also want to follow the on-screen instructions in front of you as well. At the time of this video, the current version is 17.6 and the build is 8.6 HDTV. So now I go down on my remote and I go over and it says install right there, and I go over to install. I click OK on install. Now at the bottom it says cancel or install. I'm going to click down to cancel. Then I'm going to click this right button right here on install. Click it, and now it's installing my latest version of KODI. There are still a few more steps to get it all done, so just keep hanging on. Now, it says done at the bottom and open. We're going to go down, and then we're going to click this button right here, and then we're going to click OK, and we're going to open it. This is now opening my current version of KODI, which is 17.6. If you get this video in the future, your version might be 17.8 or 17.9. But at the time of this video, it's 17.6. So here we go. Now I'm going to take my remote control and I'm going to go down to add-ons. And then I'm going to click the OK button on add-ons. Then at the top left, I see what looks like a box. So I'm going to go up to that box. Then I'm going to click the OK button on that box. Now, it says install from zip file. I'm going to go down to install from zip file. Then I'm going to click the OK button again. It pulls up this. Now I'm going to click the left part of the remote and go to settings and click the OK button on settings. Now it says unknown sources, which is fine. Now I click the OK button on unknown sources. Now I'm going to toggle over on this left button here to yes. Click the OK button on yes. Then I'm going to click the back arrow button right here. And then it's going to take me install from zip file. And I'm going to click the OK button. Then I'm going to go down to external storage. I'm going to click the OK button. Now I'm looking for my file folder, which says HD TVs for Less plug-in wizard. I'm looking for the HD TVs for Less plug-in wizard, which is at the bottom. See it? Plugin.video.httvs TVs for Less zip. Go down to it, click the OK button. At the top right, it just pulled up. Now, I'm going to click the back arrow button, and there is my build. So I'm going to click the right button here, right on it, then click OK. And then it's going to give me my different version options. Now, the version I want right now is the second one right there, version 8.6 HD TV-backup link. See how it says that right there? Now I'm going to go to it, and I'm going to click on it, and it's going to load up my new build. It's going to go through twice. Be patient, wait for it, and then we'll get back to it in a minute. At this point in time in the video, if you would like, you can fast forward it. But I'm just going to keep it here so you can see exactly how it works. Seems to be taking a minute, which is okay. It's going to download twice. You must let it download twice. I'm going to pause the video here and come right back to when it's done downloading.